Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the incredible world of superfoods and exploring how they can help you look and feel younger. Yes, you heard that right. Certain nutrient-rich foods can actually help reverse the aging process. So let's get started and discover these superfoods that can turn back the clock. As we age, our bodies face increased oxidative stress, which can contribute to the aging process. The good news is that some superfoods are packed with antioxidants and other essential nutrients that can help combat oxidative stress, promote overall health, and slow down the aging process. Let's explore some of these amazing superfoods and learn how to incorporate them into your diet. Number 1. Blueberries. These little berries pack a powerful punch when it comes to antioxidants. They're particularly rich in a group of antioxidants called flavonoids, which can help protect your skin from damage, boost brain health, and improve heart health. Add blueberries to your yogurt, oatmeal, or breakfast smoothies, or simply enjoy them as a snack. Number 2. Leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and other leafy greens are loaded with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that support healthy skin and overall well-being. They also contain compounds that help detoxify the body and reduce inflammation. Incorporate leafy greens into your salads, egg omelet, smoothies, or sautéed as a side dish. Number 3. Salmon. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, salmon is a fantastic superfood for promoting healthy skin and brain function. Omega-3s help to calm inflammation, which can lead to a breakdown of collagen and elastin. Salmon contains vitamin D, which can have photoprotective effects, meaning it can help protect the skin against the negative effects of UV rays. Vitamin D is also great for skin cell growth and repair, and helps protect against free radicals. However, it's not just the omega found in salmon alone which fights fine lines. Salmon contains another interesting anti-wrinkle nutrient, astaxanthin. Astaxanthin is a carotenoid that gives salmon its pretty pink color and is a powerful antioxidant that has shown to scavenge free radicals created by skin exposed to ultraviolet rays. To benefit the most from salmon, you must consume wild salmon, as they have higher levels of astaxanthin. Try to include wild-caught salmon in your meals a couple of times per week, either grilled, baked, or in salads. Number 4. Green tea. This antioxidant-rich beverage is known for its anti-aging properties, thanks to its high levels of catechins and polyphenols. Polyphenols have strong antioxidant properties and thus help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Polyphenols helps kill systemic bacterial inflammation, giving you calm, clear skin. Green tea can help protect your skin from sun damage, improve heart health, and even support weight management. Enjoy a cup or two of green tea daily to reap its benefits. Number 5. Nuts. Almonds, walnuts, and other nuts are packed with healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals that can help fight aging. They're particularly rich in vitamin E, which supports skin health and may reduce the appearance of wrinkles. You must try this underrated snack, which comes with a huge load of benefits. Brazil nuts. They are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids and selenium, which boosts your skin's elasticity and reduces inflammation linked with acne. Snack on a handful of nuts or add them to your salads and oatmeal for an anti-aging boost. Number 6. Dark chocolate. Good news for chocolate lovers. Dark chocolate with at least 70% cocoa content is a delicious superfood that can help slow down the aging process. It's rich in antioxidants called flavonols, which can help improve skin elasticity, protect against sun damage, and support heart health. They are also rich in minerals such as copper, iron, manganese, and magnesium, which helps to reduce skin pigmentation, boosts collagen production, and locks in the moisture in your skin. This once again proves that dark chocolate is really good for your skin. The next time you go to the supermarket, remember to buy dark chocolate along with your groceries. Number 7. Avocado. This creamy fruit is loaded with healthy monounsaturated fats, vitamins, and minerals that support healthy skin and overall well-being. The healthy fats in avocados can help keep your skin plump and hydrated, while their antioxidant content helps fight oxidative stress. Add avocado to your salads, smoothies, or enjoy it on toast for a nutritious and anti-aging meal. Now that we've explored some of the top superfoods for reversing the aging process, let's discuss a few ways to make them a regular part of your diet. Variety is key. Aim to include a variety of superfoods in your meals and snacks to ensure you get a wide range of nutrients and antioxidants. Start small. If you're new to superfoods, start by adding just 1 or 2 to your diet and gradually build from there. This will make the transition easier and more enjoyable. Make simple swaps. Replace less healthy options in your diet with superfoods. For example, swap out your morning coffee for green tea, or replace a sugary snack with a handful of nuts or a square of dark chocolate. Get creative. Experiment with different recipes and ways to incorporate superfoods into your meals. Try new dishes and combinations to keep things interesting and enjoyable. Lastly, be consistent. To truly experience the anti-aging benefits of superfoods, it's important to consume them regularly. Make a conscious effort to include superfoods in your daily diet for long-lasting results. And that's a wrap! By incorporating these superfoods into your diet, you can help your body fight the aging process, leaving you looking and feeling younger, longer. Remember, consistency is key, so try to make these nutrient-dense foods a regular part of your daily routine. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more informative content on health and wellness. Thanks for watching, and here's to aging gracefully.